Yes, once again, a point in the day, I met in another man come television, Chinga Chalaman, Utina Chalaman, Manabobo, evening vibes in Wakanyan, Pabijoni, Balalem said, I wouldn't have been limited to Kenya Kelem. I think a Goro Mogo, Kere, Pone Mogo, out of Cabere Mogo. But anyway, one love for a shake it open all of Waka once again. I'm one of the evening vibes, who Alem Sek, and your Pabijo, of course, the good go. This is your number one YouTube channel. I am Muni, Balalem Sek. Subscribe, log in, Kalikabe for the Lubo. Nen balabo bedu dio kon promoting kumami e pono pore okiaro kumami e pone dio opore tana mani yesani bala abo dube sawa by the way point de jode de be ngolo mwaka out there. If you don't subscribe, make sure you do, and of course share with a friend, like it, and then you come here kumam television go to no kabor sana. Of course our link is flowing everywhere. You know na WhatsApp number wa meya don ne no pinkano di be pinkano. Make sure you follow that. So nata mani yesani I have guests, I have friends, I have colleagues in Etakani. Evening vibes, I have a little mistake. I'm going to know Sana. What about the program Evening Vibes? I'm going to join a bit of maybe tell you program. Can I get when you want you? Now I'm here with my guests, all my brothers. This is something of culture. I may want to take it in Ghana. I told you, come television is taking you far away. All those who are far away in Saudi Arabia, Dubai, the likes of Sam Opejo, the Eva. Plus many more keep watching, keep subscribing, advise a friend to join. Let's promote Kwam Television. This is a brother that you know very well. It's called Hot P, if I'm not mistaken. Hot P. Opoye better ko doge Kwam Television.
Opoye tetwa.
Opoye sana mekubarati kile Kwam Television. Amito be otunu step which is going to take us at once. Opoye nini na sana Kwam Television. Nyinga Fabijo, nyingo bedo guys. Nyingo bedo bro Tombi. Now bro Tombi mano bedo Kwam Television program mo tina tamani sana bedo program mo longo be Evening Vibes. Evening Vibes bedo program me do be kalamo ye pone me music arabo talent me pone mo kene ikumam kene keso at large ko tudo kabere okalamo paka na across borders and across the seas. So bala kina maya munikede do you do music? Timo music. Timo music tutwala. Ame tie ko.
Tie.
Aya mon uriya mendina gwajo lwa kede bunyi yari amdwa nje malo.
Nyinga bro Tombi.
Yo bro Tombi.
Yo.
Timo music achalbenyo in bro Tombi.
Timo music. Country. Country idioti gospel.
Gospel, I make a country.
Yeah.
You take it away the mogo. Anyway, I do booty. Let me first get something from Hot P. You once again welcome. Boy, you understand Kumam Television. You are one guy that is always being wanted out by our audience. I mean, watching Kumam Television, you can't do maybe Lobofani. I want to be a couple like subscribe, come to take a jail. Where you got legal, okay, could tell the Chalamani, you know, Kumam Television, you're going to Chalamani. Now, Hot P. I want to take it a pair home. I'm going to get out a leak it. A bit of baby, out of Cabera Tot Sana, Asamo, or get a motorcar, Naka, Cabera Boat Sana. There's a very big challenge. A very challenge, a wound get any of Ocano, a very challenge, a very towns, a very Kejo, a very pony tapa part. One thing, one complaint. Anyway, first things go fast. While I'm a television, we are here to care for what people care about. That's why we go fast and we are leading and we are going to be globally. Our viewers are getting too many. Of course, couple like me, Lubo, make sure you follow. Now, we have a problem. Major Tayambe, Cortido, Nenvala, Chemia Wado, Yarabe, Pecomora Melo, Yarapelli. You know, supporting Copajo, Tayamoni Arba, Angra, Balada, they don't, Chevakego, with the Mal.
Chuyango for the take it a go at 12.
Balain,
Malango.
I may in nobody don't, I may Chapakanga Henego, Leo for a coin for Wasana.
Like a yard for your piano, Eras Morotia, Neno, Chen Punabalicia, Recono, Samaikono, and then Okitamic Germany, take it a cono, you put a Sama did it. Auto Cadater, Doke, Teronio, Carbala, Diego, Balabater, Matopi, Auto Pioteco, you put a Samai. Dino, Samai, Jolia Puro Pigi, you put on Mayuni, you put on Mushere Guinea go Samai. I mean, in Nenobalabenio, or work Puro Gigo Samai, and I take a peco, Arabo, Purgiga Samai, don't put upon a mono. Actually, Kitame, Apogano Yamoko, the Pura Samai. A work the Bercome Pura Samai. Yes. Anyway, Joe, I met your Canadian, you come made a comic, I take the kind in Yakum television. If you take a Pekka Chalamane, this is a very big cry into the public. Can a take a threat if one major in Wakanyen, Wakamoti and Wakanyeni. You never yard again, it way to go take it to a pin or take Mwaka, Ipakalino, get a jamun, you puko, you, the way they rake the Pakani stores. But let's not be so scared. We're going to get out some other way that we're going to help ourselves.
Of course, we are going to tell you what you are going to be doing. Personally, Balai, protecting our environment, protecting Kumamland, protecting our Uganda. Of course, that is the role of Kuma Television to promote what is supposed to be there into the public. So, Hotby, Joe work puro samai.
Joe work super samai.
So now, Okopuro tuwa, if you're not going to dagi.
One minute here, the logo tie, chelere kona.
Eba, logo tie.
Logo tie.
No, kwa dagi chui. Osamai. Pi moli ye.
You know. Pi moli osamai. Do manu do pore kerebe. Manu pore me doke koto otomata kede pi kuno. Kede pi no moli osamai. Kiente udo kulejin mogo udo tie kano. Ko udo be. Tie kita me tie kede nampi. Kita me jo pore kede kuno. Dana buldana chala chel. Yejo poto. Yejo puloja chala chel pino. Kata omionan poto da. Opinion paka sama ina na teko tuo.
Omiyo sama na teko tuo. Yes. So, tambenyo, o timbenyo, o geido na ati mbenyo, ke nan chengo teko rien. Sama ina ole o teko udo wanu nuke na kono udo bala be racho ti puro sama. Racho ti ye. Dona o timbenyo.
Amenan. Ber komo sama berwe. Jo ber pora we komo sama ber.
O kere sama.
Kombe puro sama.
O duogo pur ka me kod lieni ka otuoni arabo weka ber kome pur.
Comme pour the tie. No season the tie mam. Don an kita me jo pro do sama omiyo do pakakara me ko dugo kerenyo. Bor. En comme pour sama ber na mi to ber jo wek ber. Pour sama.
Big up. Angi tam nango tie be. Gini tie ka onen momod. Ya kelo man liabe o sama kene pour sama ena kelo ronyo me ko. So tam nango atial bala jo me pinye. Me kumame o mi do nen be ti jamni mogo atie amiyo ko takarwenya machiel ti kopin mogo mabino wana winyo bala wani dwe ti gimoro no dundi ka giyo ininyo kuma wan podo donga wan podo tia donga
tatamle wala tatam
o tatatam gino luongo be achakate gino kada no bedo tie kede a winyo story mora no no bi mata tie kede achakate emiyo ko dagi paka chwe
ko dagi naka chwe so ne duong merbe tejo ameti diri wakano ni ameti ameti wan peko me kod bedo line wani
ko di jogo na tie kede no paka peko
yeah ora jamene ndene de poe sana je winyo kita me ko mi tie kede me personally I very concerned tiento we have to protect the environment upon protecting the change of the climate when we causing peko duong sana kami yote no momod ogeo no goko jana mo yamba chakar otegu ntonga ro yeno wangar no maka otegu pura ro sama na otegu tiek didi atambe ko pa me tekele ne wano nankani kube one ken as Africans otegu kelo peko ya Africa kele Uganda at once. So if you're watching, make sure you tell a brother, tell a friend, tell a sister to protect the environment. We're going to balabo dokun merbo green bala lemsek. So musically, I am on the for us Kuma Television. We are here mostly we educate musically. So while we are here, we're going to give you something that is so reasonable. I know you have been we pick let's protect our environment. Kuma Television, Evening Bird, subscribe, log in, follow. Of course, Tilanga Fabidio Teka and Karatel Kidimeguna, Wotena, you are made me Tama. We are going to go in Wakanyeni. Hotby. Lyrically, I'm going to first explain you to blast this thing. Where Chepa is slowing down, go Yamana Yamamane. You know, something interests somebody when something is playing behind. Yeah. As you know, this Kuma Television's leading guitarist, Amoteke Natamani Sani Kane, is called Hot P. Very, very easy around here. Evening Vice Paralem said to promote what you want and to promote what exactly is supposed to be helping the public. Hot P. Nando. Next step, what do you advise Yatamete Puro Sama?
So nan gino udu tie bala udu mite bala koto donye music do music no tie bala apei budjo Puro Samai ja chiote chiale rekano so udu gini yaro niang nyo wano tie penye budji wano pore para gino nyo kelo kopego gede nyo wano twero jamo paka weko kopego.
Yeah. So, musically. Alright, Bogo Dubesawa, we are going to be getting back shortly after a very short break. Oyaro for the medekede. What period are you aware, you're going to go ahead? Yaram, you know, aware, no, you could go after that short while. Yes. Alright. You are watching the day. Make sure you subscribe, log in. Yeah.
pinyo. Omiyo kode dagi jwe. Pinyo, pinyo. Wan kuma parnu kano. Pinyo, pinyo. Omiyo kode dagi jwe. Pinyo, pinyo. Wan kuma parnu kano. Pinyo, pinyo. Omiyo kode dagi jwe. Pinyo, pinyo. Wan kuma parnu kano. Pinyo, pinyo. Omiyo kode dagi jwe. Pinyo, pinyo. Wan no teso parnu kano. Pinyo, pinyo. Omiyo kode dagi jwe. Pinyo, pinyo. Wan teso parnu kano. Okay. Man, you wanna put your cannon, your kumam empire. Hey, you need more shell and shower hot picker boy. Aya winner, kimping, anyan pang yo kumam kakare. Wanna put a doa, a winner moto ni makasha. Maraja take it a chakat. Dubo bojo te yam te ko kedi maja mot be madane no kelo pego. Pulken wano koko kotba. Wano koko pulken wano koko ba kotba. George elo si opino pagi chalo de yambe unjo chalo we bunu puro samai. Elo si opino pagi chalo de yambe unjo we bunu puro samai. Eh pinyo Omi akode tari chwe Pinyo Wangu mamparnu kano Pinyo Pinyo Wangu mamparnu kano Pinyo Omi akode tari chwe Pinyo Wangu mamparnu kano Pinyo Omi akode tari chwe Pinyo Wangu mamparnu kano
Ayabodi, kaite winyo ko kali ngeno ko television pen wi di ko paro ber do ko ichel abo so tiena reke de kalamo yo mi ko to ko terwa ye pona chalamani. We have a very big struggle where we are really disturbed. We are getting a threat. The weather wakenwa the climate wakenwa the environment wakenwa. So kama itendo kwa television atekwa anyomina, let's protect the environment. Today we are here to tell you to protect the environment. This is Kumam Television and this is Evening Vibes. Apoya sana hot pipi godi wera chalamano. That is multi-time. I told you we have the leading hit that is Kumam Television. Ye kane natamani yesai. So I think you're going to say your last word.
So my last word says poyo no tutwal joten neno Kumam Empire wani no ne so tie manono jutie kopi na tie kan kede kok nono tie ka yai butuan de jo puro samai so por no neno tie me wa tie me kot kida tie kede puro pot nu chunywa te kataka be kotie na nena mano doke nekena kwa ube oweku puro samai opoyo no tutwal
Poyo sana bro. Yo I think mi wata mor majikini weko nen balo saving saban
En ko majikindo tie be komo samai
como samai
Wakuno komo samai puro samai Mio nan ko to ruenyo mio jobedo kele pardo jolange be nyate kelo peko no
Dudi wan ken wa no kelo peko
wan ken wa no kelo peko no tongo yen puro samai na no tuo ena peko te ena gida te kelo so jo meoko nenu be komo samai
all right, Opoya Sana. So for those who have been so much watching live on YouTube, Opoya Sana piketo Mbisni, Opoya subscribing, Opoya da mewe kimi jo apada koni yangobe Kumam Television promoting the environment and of course protecting the environment at large. This is Kumam Television, this is Evening Vibes, this is Fabi Joe. I still love you. Catch up with you.